Mammoth Mountain monster storm. There's Carter digging through. There's Mini Fella. See if we can get up to our sled ramp that we've been playing with, but it's buried today.
What are you doing, Dad?
Taking a video of you showing all the snow. Beautiful winter day. Logan over there clearing off the car. Carter trying to get up to his sled ramp. Mini Fella walking in snow that's higher than his waist. There he goes. Just sinks into the powder. So deep, got probably 2 feet, 3 feet of fresh snow. How was it?
Let's go!
Just disappearing into the snow.
Yep.
We have lost him. Stays here much longer, he'll be covered up with snow.
No telling.
Just dumping
Dumping
snow. Been dumping snow for 8 hours now. You gonna say hi to the snow?
Hi. As you guys could see, deep. Just watch. And just observe.
Yeah.
It's deep.
Yeah.
Very. Not the worst up here, but not the best.
All depends what you're looking for. Looks pretty good to me.
Okay, here you go.
Let's see Mini Fella. There
Are
he
you
is.
swimming or sledding?
Not sure if he thinks he's in the pool or what's he doing
Why
here.
is the gondola still operating?
Well, we might lose him.
Lay down. Take a nice little rest.
Awesome snow.
Actually pretty comfortable.
Awesome life.